the required triangle. Okay, remaining blah blah blah, that's okay, but A dash B C dash. So these are the steps. Next, which of the following steps of construction is incorrect while dividing a line segment of length 3.2 centimeters in the ratio 3:5 internally? Okay, means what? Means there is a line segment of 3.2 and we have to divide this line segment into two parts, 3:5. Okay, that ratio. So first step will be obviously AB equals to 3.2, that's correct. Okay, now second is what? We have to draw an acute angle BAX, that is also correct. Means why acute angle? So you have to take any acute angle of any degrees and divide it into the number of parts, total number of parts required by us. So what is the total number of parts required? 5 plus 3, total 8 parts are required. So we'll have to divide it into 8 parts. So acute angle is correct. Step 3 is make 3 plus 5 plus 1, that is 9 equal parts. Now this step is wrong. Why? Because why 9 parts? We want 8 parts. 3 plus 5, so we require 8. So this step is wrong. Okay. So the correct step should be on AX, make 3 plus 5 equals to 8 parts and mark them as A1, A2 up to 8. Then last step is correct. Join B to A8. From A3 draw A3C parallel to A8B. Point C divides AB internally in the ratio 3:5. So that these are the correct steps now. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you learn them in 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.